Welcome to Johnny Discovery. Today we're taking you on a fascinating journey into the world of cucumber pickles, a journey that begins on sun-kissed farms and ends with the crispy, tangy delights we love in jars. Whether you call them pickles, gherkins, or brined cucumbers, there's no denying their crunchy charm. Have you ever wondered how these flavorful treats go from tiny seeds to store shelves around the globe? Let's explore the complete farm-to-factory process of cucumber pickling. The large-scale production of cucumbers requires meticulous planning, advanced farming techniques, and efficient harvesting methods. Cucumber farming has evolved over the years, with modern agricultural practices allowing for higher yields and improved quality. From selecting the right seeds and preparing the land to managing pests, irrigation, and fertilization, farmers employ a wide range of strategies to ensure a successful harvest. Furthermore, technology has significantly improved the efficiency of cucumber farming, making large-scale production possible. Cucumbers hold a significant place in U.S. agriculture, contributing to the economy and fulfilling the dietary needs of millions of people. They are consumed fresh, used in salads and sandwiches, and processed into pickles, making them an indispensable part of the food industry. The popularity of cucumbers has led to an increase in large-scale farming, ensuring their availability throughout the year. Slicing cucumbers, the long, smooth-skinned types found in supermarkets, typically range from 6 to 9 inches in length. These are bred for fresh consumption, favored for their mild flavor and refreshing crunch in salads, sandwiches, and spa waters. Pickling cucumbers, on the other hand, are smaller, usually ranging from 3 to 5 inches in length. They have a bumpy, textured skin and a more robust flavor, making them perfect for pickling. Michigan and Wisconsin are major producers of pickling cucumbers, supplying large food processing companies that manufacture pickles for both domestic and international markets. Greenhouse cucumbers are another important variety, often grown using hydroponic systems. These cucumbers are typically seedless, with thin skin, and are popular in high-end grocery stores and restaurants. The controlled environment of greenhouses ensures consistent quality and year-round production, reducing dependence on seasonal fluctuations. In the U.S., cucumbers are primarily grown in states like Florida, California, Michigan, Georgia, North Carolina, and Texas, regions blessed with warm climates and fertile soils. The success of cucumber farming begins with proper land preparation. Farmers carefully select and prepare their fields to ensure optimal growing conditions. Cucumbers thrive in well-drained sandy loam soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Soil rich in organic matter is essential for healthy plant growth, as it provides the necessary nutrients and retains moisture. The land preparation process involves several steps. First, the fields are plowed and tilled to break up compacted soil, improving aeration and drainage. Organic matter such as compost or manure is added to enhance soil fertility. Farmers then apply fertilizers, particularly phosphorus and potassium, to support root and vine development. Many large-scale farms use plastic mulch on the soil surface to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. These practices ensure that cucumber plants receive the best possible start for a high-yield harvest. Cucumber farming begins with the selection of high-quality seeds that are resistant to diseases and pests. Farmers typically use hybrid seeds, which have been developed for better yield and resilience. Using advanced semi-automatic planting machines, modern cucumber farming begins with the precise sowing of cucumber seeds. Each seed is placed at just the right depth in the soil by these specialized machines to ensure healthy growth. Once planted, the seeds are regularly attended to so they can sprout into beautiful young plants. Cucumbers are planted when the soil temperature is above 60 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring optimal germination. Seeds are typically spaced 12 to 24 inches apart in rows that are 3 to 6 feet apart, allowing sufficient room for vine growth. Proper spacing is crucial to prevent overcrowding and ensure good air circulation, reducing the risk of disease. Cucumbers require a consistent supply of water to thrive. Proper irrigation is essential to prevent bitterness and ensure uniform growth. Most cucumber farms in the U.S. use efficient irrigation systems to manage water distribution. Drip irrigation is the most effective method, delivering water directly to the roots of the plants, reducing water wastage and minimizing disease risks. Sprinkler irrigation is also used, especially in large fields, as it ensures even water distribution. In some regions, furrow irrigation is employed, where water is channeled through small trenches between rows of plants. Cucumbers require about 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week, and during hot summer months, farmers increase irrigation frequency to maintain adequate moisture levels. Efficient water management is crucial, as both overwatering and underwatering can negatively impact plant growth and yield. As the plants grow, they develop sprawling vines and produce bright yellow flowers, early signs of the bounty to come. Farmers frequently monitor the plant's health, checking for pests, diseases, and signs of maturity. During this flowering stage, pollination becomes crucial, and nature lends a helping hand through bees. Bees' diligent pollinators are drawn to the cucumber blossoms by their vibrant color and sweet nectar. As bees move from flower to flower, they transfer pollen, especially from male to female blooms, triggering the fertilization process necessary for fruit development. To ensure successful pollination and maximize yield, many farmers even place beehives near the fields, creating a buzzing ecosystem where cucumbers and bees thrive together. Cucumber harvesting is a crucial stage that determines the quality and market value of the crop. The timing of the harvest depends on the type of cucumber being grown. Slicing cucumbers are typically harvested when they reach 6 to 9 inches in length. Pickling cucumbers are picked at a smaller size, around 3 to 5 inches. If left on the vine too long, cucumbers can become overripe, turning yellow and developing a bitter taste. In the past, harvesting cucumbers was entirely manual, a labor-intensive task that demanded hours under the hot sun. But today, technology is transforming the way cucumbers are harvested. Most large-scale cucumber farms use a combination of manual and mechanical harvesting methods. In smaller farms, workers manually pick cucumbers, carefully selecting the ones that have reached the ideal size and color. Cucumbers grow rapidly and must be harvested frequently, sometimes every day or every other day. In large commercial farms, mechanical harvesters equipped with conveyor belts and sorting mechanisms are used to pick, clean, and sort cucumbers in seconds. Mechanical harvesting is particularly common in the pickling cucumber industry, where large quantities must be harvested quickly and efficiently. Freshly picked cucumbers are carefully transferred into large bins and field trailers, designed to protect their delicate skin and preserve freshness during transport. These containers are positioned directly alongside the harvesters, allowing for a seamless flow from vine to bin without delay. Field workers and operators gently load the cucumbers, ensuring minimal bruising or damage. Each bin can hold hundreds of pounds of cucumbers, and once full, they are quickly hoisted onto flatbed trucks or specialized transport vehicles. Time is of the essence, as maintaining the cucumber's crisp texture and natural moisture is crucial for the next stage of processing. At the first stop, cucumbers undergo an essential cleaning phase. Powerful water jets wash each cucumber, removing all the dirt and debris on their skins without damaging their quality or appearance. Afterward, the cucumbers undergo a meticulous sorting process, each one evaluated for size and quality, before being transported to factories equipped with specialized production lines, where they begin journey to your table. High-quality slicing cucumbers are packaged for grocery stores, while lower-grade cucumbers may be used for processed foods. For pickling cucumbers, the next step is brining and fermentation. These cucumbers are submerged in salt water or vinegar solutions and stored in barrels for a specific period, allowing them to develop the signature tangy flavor of pickles. Large food processing companies handle this stage, producing pickles in various flavors and styles to cater to consumer preferences. Once the cucumbers arrive, they're unloaded onto conveyors and pass through another round of cleaning and inspection. Then comes the heart of the operation, the brining stage. Brining is the magic that turns ordinary cucumbers into extraordinary pickles. In large industrial vats, cucumbers are soaked in a brine solution made of salt, water, and a secret mix of spices. Each company uses its own signature blend, often including dill, garlic, mustard seeds, bay leaves, peppercorns, and vinegar, to create their unique flavor. The brining process can last anywhere from 1 to 4 weeks, depending on the desired flavor, crunch, and preservation. During this time, conditions such as temperature, salinity, and humidity are meticulously controlled to ensure consistent quality. After brining, the pickles are drained and transferred to the packing line. Old pickles are carefully sorted by size and quality, then funneled into sterilized glass jars. Automated arms or skilled workers ensure that each jar is filled uniformly, maintaining both visual appeal and product consistency. Next comes the addition of pickling brine, a seasoned solution of vinegar, water, salt, and spices, poured hot into the jars to preserve flavor and extend shelf life. As the final step, lids are tightly sealed, and the jars pass through a heat-based vacuum sealing process to ensure safety and freshness. Some companies use fast-track pickling methods, placing cucumbers directly into sterilized jars with brine and spices, then sealing and stacking them in fermentation chambers for rapid pickling. This method is ideal for sliced or deli-style pickles that need quicker turnaround. For sliced pickles, automated cutting machines turn full cucumbers into thin, uniform slices. These are loaded into glass jars, followed by a fresh pour of the pickling solution to keep them preserved and tasty. Workers double-check each jar for quality and quantity, ensuring every product looks as good as it tastes. After sealing, the jars are passed through a heating or pasteurization tunnel to extend shelf life. Finally, they're labeled, packaged, and stacked onto pallets, ready to be shipped to consumers and adding flavor to delicious meals around the world. Pickles, especially those made through natural fermentation, are rich in probiotics, good bacteria that aid digestion and support a healthy gut. They're hydrating, low in calories, and full of antioxidants. Plus, the vinegar in pickles can help regulate blood sugar levels, while the dietary fiber in cucumber skins promotes regularity. With their tangy, refreshing crunch, pickles make an excellent side dish, enhancing your meal. From planting tiny seeds to brining in massive vats, the journey of the cucumber pickle is a stunning example of agricultural innovation and culinary tradition. The love and technology behind every jar are what make pickles a global favorite. If you enjoyed learning about this process, don't forget to hit that like button, share this with your foodie friends, and subscribe to Johnny Discovery for more behind-the-scenes looks into the world of food, farming, and factories.